Alright guys, so I'm just getting off work. I have about an hour to get this done. I'm going to be using this one lure this evening. It's barbless, so it's going to make things a little bit more difficult. I think it's supposed to be some type of, I don't know, some type of fish imitation maybe. But I'm going to go ahead and get started, see how this thing works. Ooh, something immediately went for it. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes so far. I've got a few bites on this, but I haven't been able to get anything in. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out baits. I didn't want to, but I do want to catch something today. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out baits, and I'm going to give this another shot on another day. First fish, tiny little bluegill. Still got his breeding colors. Second little fish, little red breast sunfish. Looks like it still has his breeding colors on. I'm surprised. Actually, the temperature's gone down so much. Now, this will be the last lure of the evening. This little cricket hopper from Bass Pro Shops. Definitely switched out lures way more times than I anticipated, but that barbless hook was good. I wasn't going to have enough time to catch a fish. Finally. I actually haven't caught that many of these this year, surprisingly, so it's actually nice to catch one. Little bluegill, just let him go.